Hello everyone and welcome to Insider Financial Talk Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today, the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and in this video we will recap the day's market action, discuss our trading plan for tomorrow, and if we wait till the end of the video, have 5 penny stocks we are going to cover. But first up, we profiled a NASDAQ penny stock on Friday that opened at just under 18 cents and closed today at 26 cents. For potential gains of 45%. Monday's low floater opened at $2.78 and hit $3.50 today for potential gains of 25%. We have a new report on a NASDAQ penny stock for subscribers tonight that just put out news. To get our full report, click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com with your email. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. Mobile is the fastest way to get all of our reports, and it works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, it'd be 1 plus area code and number. Never begin the format with 0. It will not work. And in the welcome email, you will get a free copy of the Insider Financial Guide to Penny Stocks ebook. Our email service, and our text messaging services are all free services from insiderfinancial.com. We do not run any paid subscription whatsoever, no Discord rooms or Telegram chat rooms. Well, today was an overall rough day in the market for many, but if you're a subscriber or you watched last night's video, you did pretty good today, especially with WW Weight Watchers, which I talked about in last night's video. It was green all day and closed near the highs, up 79% for the day. Congrats to those who banked. Key is always be booking profits and taking money off the table. Ignore the diamond hands, paper hands BS. We saw some profit taking in ABML today, which was up over 100% since I talked about it last week. You can watch what I had to say on all these names I talk about on insiderfinancial.com. They are all right there. The ticker is mentioned in the article. All the tickers, in terms of ABML, what happened was we had big news last week. The company announced results of its third-party qualified person audited inferred resource report that details the analysis of its lithium deposit at its Tonopah Flats lithium project in Big Smoky Valley, Nevada, which has resulted in the identification of one of the largest known lithium deposits in the U.S. ABML controls 100% of the mining load claims comprising the Tonopah Flats property and the rights to all locatable subsurface minerals without any royalties. Again, congrats to all banking in ABML, but like I said, if this one was on NASDAQ or NYSE, it would already be $5. In terms of the overall market, the sell-off today was actually quite orderly off of the J-Powell testimony. To me, it's, as I said, the overall market is still quite bullish as stocks are holding up quite well. I mean, Tesla was only down 3% today. Any other day, Tesla will be down 7, 8, 9% on a day like today. And also, the VIX is not spiking. So again, I know a lot of people, if you look at the news, it's bearish, but I think a lot of this is already priced into the markets. And what we got today was hawkish comments from Fed Chair Powell. That sparked the sell-off as everyone now is pricing in 50 basis point rate hike this month. We have the March meeting coming 21-22. There is a 71% chance that the Fed will raise its key rate by 50 basis point at the next policy meeting. The odds skyrocketed from just a day ago when they stood at just 31% chance of a 50 basis point rate hike, and that is up from a 10% chance last month. The market will be focusing on the JOLTS data this week, and then Friday we get the unemployment report. So again, everyone is focused on that data. If the data comes in stronger than expected, again, that will keep the pressure on stocks as we move forward. Let's see here, what else? Among active stocks, RIVN was down almost 15%, is dragged down by a planned $1.3 billion convertible note offering. Again, markets do not like dilution. And speaking of dilution, TRKA rug pulled its shareholders today. Everyone talks about naked shorting being the enemy of retail. It's really dilution. In TRKA's case, we had 270,000 preferred E convertible notes were converted into 111 million common shares, and 27.1 million warrants were converted into 106 million common shares. So we got 217 million shares, new shares added to the share count today. There are 6.2 million warrants that remain unexercised. Technically, the stock hit 99 cents. Guys, if you follow my channel, you know I am a big believer in the KISS system. Keep it simple, stupid, and 99 cents, that was 1 penny short of $1. The stock could not get above $1. That was a signal to start booking profits. Again, ignore the noise, ignore diamond hands, paper hands, BS. Always be booking profits, taking money off the table. You can always re-enter at a later date, especially if you're trading on like Webull, which you can trade for free. No commissions. Click that link in the description. You can sign up with our referral link and get up to 12 free stocks from Webull. What else we got here? ASAN, AI. This one here, as I said last night, ran into the $30 wall, ran into resistance. I expected some profit taking. This is just ordinary. We still really like AI long term. I like the founders, Tom Siebel. For those of you who don't know, I've talked about this on the channel. He sold his company to Oracle for $5.8 billion in the early 2000s. AI is his second go. He's a proven founder, and he knows what he's doing. So AI is one of the best plays if you're looking to be in the AI space. ASAN, we got earnings coming Thursday. Again, nice ticking up here. Dustin, I've talked about him, Dustin Moskovitz, the CEO. He's bought almost $1 billion worth of stock out of the market. He's Facebook co-founder, worth $8-9 billion. The shorts have a position in here. They're messing with the wrong guy. Let's see how the earnings come in. And earnings are moving stocks right now. So, SC today, I traded it really well, finally profitable. Shocked the market today. When I say finally profitable, the stock is now the company is now profitable. Nice day today. Opened at just above 70, dipped down to 68, and then rallied all the way to 81.52. So big day today in SE. The stock twits folks were all over this one, so you had everything going for it. You had strong bullish sentiment, you had a great earnings report, and it was just going to go higher, and it could ignore the noise from Jay Powell's testimony. It's a Southeast Asian play with its e-commerce company Shopee, which Shopee, Lazada from Alibaba. These are the two Amazon-like players in Southeast Asia. NVOS, mixed day today, closed up 16%. Talked about this one last night's video. 25% of the float is short. A lot of the TRKA folks are now going into NVOS, but again, what happened with TRKA, them getting rug pulled, they just don't have the juice that they did. People are losing money. They're not willing to, their accounts aren't as big, so it's harder for them to go in and buy as much that they would have had TRKA not tanked. And then finally, the 5 penny stocks that we have on our radar. First up is FRTX, just a $5.6 million market cap. We got news after the bell. The company said that they announced positive top-line results from its single and multiple ascending dose parts of phase 1 study. Company said FRTX-02 is generally safe and well tolerated within the potential therapeutic dose range, meeting the study's primary objectives. So again, this is the key here. Their company is evaluating strategic options to further develop FRTX-02 and maximize shareholder value. Top-line results support the continued development of FRTX-02 NVOS-02 as potential first-in-class once-daily oral treatment of atopic dermatitis and or other autoimmune diseases. Also on watch tomorrow is RIGL, news after the bell. They put out their fourth quarter and full year results. They came in better than expected. So again, the market is liking this one. So we're watching this tomorrow for an earnings play, RIGL. Next up is AVCTQ. This is a former NASDAQ runner, hit the OTC. It's in bankruptcy. Again, down 72%. A lot of people dumping, don't want to own OTC. But again, I'm looking this as a potential bounce play. Play the green only. Do not, this is not about buying the dip, buying red. No, you want to play momentum. This is a trade. You play green, you play the momentum, you get in, you get out, you move on to the next play. Okay, guys? Next up is EPAZ. This is just a $4.1 million market cap. It's an AI play, and they just keep dropping news, which is bullish, which you want to see from an OTC company. It is news that moves OTC stocks. So they announced they received official issuance of utility patent from U.S. Patent Office for its AI predictive smart charging pad for Zenadrone 1000. Earlier this month was invited to showcase Zenadrone 1000 U.S. Air Force Base. So again, this is what we want to see in an OTC stock, and this is why it has the momentum and has been bidding higher. Lastly, guys, is GMZP, $1.1 million market cap, officer change, and art reverse merger play. FinTwit is excited. Clean shell, no debts, no dilution. Here, Stephen Carnes has delivered nothing short of 10 baggers for his shareholders thus far with his past two recent ventures in OTC. He brought an $87 million revenue merger to audit SEC reporting APSI shell. What will that bring into GMZP? If this does not excite you, nothing will. Stock trader 187. Stephen Walter Carnes is now the CEO of GMZP. He's the secretary and director of APSI and was formerly the CEO until the acquisition of Tradition Transport. I'm a fan of APSI. So again, all good news here. We like to see what's going on here. And for those of you that reverse mergers are great on OTC. This is what you want to focus on. You want to play buy the rumor, sell the news. Like we saw with GDVM, it was a reverse merger play. When the reverse merger happened, then you got the sell-off. So right now, there's still an opportunity here in GMZP, and again, it is just a $1.1 million market cap. And with all that being said, guys, don't forget we have a special NASDAQ penny stock report out for subscribers just now. This was not covered in this video. Guys, it is completely free to sign up, and you can see the level of research that we do here at InsiderFinancial.com. Finally, Insider Financial and myself are not investment advisors. This video does not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinions meant for informational, educational purposes only and does not provide investment advice. Thanks for watching. Also, smash that like button and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new video is uploaded. Good luck, guys. Bye-bye.